How to remove passkey on your Roblox. So if you want to remove passkey on your Roblox, then first of all, you need to head over to roblox.com. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You search for Roblox and then go with www.roblox.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Go with login, which will be in the top right, and then enter your email, username, or your phone, and then your password, and go with login. Once you've logged in, you'll get this kind of interface. So click on the gear icon, which will be in the top right, and click on the settings section. Once you're on your settings, you'll be able to see all of these options. You will have passkeys under your login methods. So go with login methods right here and then go with add passkey if you've not added a passkey. But you already added your passkey, then you just need simply go with the passkey option, which will be right here. Or you can also go with the security section and here you will have your passkeys. You just need to simply go with the passkey. Or just go back and then go with the account info. Here on the right side, if you've added a passkey, you will have a manage option. So you just need to simply tap on the manage button. And once you tap on manage, you'll be able to manage your passkeys. You will have all of the information, like all of the devices in which you have added your passkey. So you just need to simply go and select the device that you would like to remove and then go with device or delete key. And once you click on the delete key, it will ask you for your two-step verification process. So just enter the code that you will receive on either your authenticator application or on your phone number. And after entering the verification code, you'll be able to remove your passkey on your Roblox. So it's that simple. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.